Welcome. We're here to assist with your buying and selling needs. Have questions or would like to schedule a personal tour? Give us a call today at 706-863-1775. This is a gorgeous, well-maintained home with a rocking chair front porch, situated on a flat lot located in Windmill Plantation. This open floor plan features granite countertops and a built-in wet bar area perfect for entertaining. The large family room features a gas fireplace with built-ins. The main floor features a traditional dining room, guest bedroom, bathroom, and a potential office. The covered back patio is perfect for entertaining and relaxing. The owner's suite provides a large sitting area near a beautiful fireplace. The master bathroom features custom tile work into the oversized walk-in closet. The bonus area on the upper floor includes a large set of windows that overlook the beautifully landscaped backyard. A total of 3 additional bedrooms and a laundry room is conveniently located upstairs. Must see.